Let's talk about AI, as you mentioned, LLMs, and AI is now all around us. This absolutely certainly took root in the idea of large amounts of data becoming available, large amounts of structured, labeled data being available. And you had a role to play in the structuring and the labeling to some extent, but structuring to some extent. Help us understand where this revolution started. The idea that data alone could be a teacher without heuristics.
Yeah, I mean, this is an interesting question. First of all, as I think you said, what has happened is the amount of data that can be reasonably handled has been exploding, and it follows this Moore's law, where everything is twice as good every 2 years. Okay, so you have this exponential growth. This seems to be well, let's say the size of disks. Actually, I guess you don't even have disks anymore. You have these; they're solid state boxes in the store. That seems to be following Moore's law. So the amount of data that's available, has suddenly exploded, and I won't say it's reached a critical mass, but there's no question that there are things you can do with large amounts of data that you can't do with small amounts of data. The organization, by the way, is not all that important, because transforming it to the form you need, that's something you solve that problem once, and then you can apply it to all the data. So for example, LLMs basically use the entire internet. And so every page is found, it's read, it's broken up into words and so on.